I wish I could have taken you guys along on that Cybertruck ride. So this morning we had a Cybertruck. He actually tried to come in last week, but we were on vacation for some window tint, just doing the front two windows. We didn't start sprinkling here. Anyway, finished that. Took me for a quick drive. I'm gonna make this quick since I think it's gonna start to rain. That thing's just awesome though. Absolutely awesome. It's got four-wheel drive turning, so he literally turned around in the middle of Route 7 down here and then floored it. 2.5 seconds, I think 0 to 60. That thing just absolutely flies. I've been in Hellcats, I've been in all kinds of stuff. That 9,000 pound truck is faster than it. But anyway, got Jenny coating or Genesis coating going on here. This awesome kind of chocolate metallic 1794 edition Tundra going out here. Brand new vehicle, had some really bad scratching on this back pillar, something they probably did at the dealership, and on the hood. The hood was definitely the dealership. They like to put these protective decals all over the front end, so in transportation they don't get chipped up. Anyway, they really kind of damaged the paint up there. I had to actually wet sand it out, but everything came out great. Got a 2-year coating on the windows. I still have to put 50% window tint on the front there. 50 is extremely light, but once again, people that have get skin cancer, get sunburned very easily, UVA, UVB resistant, blocks out 96% of the heat coming through that window. He's going with our premium film. Even at that extremely light shade, it blocks out a ton of heat. So let's see, also have Angel Wax Legacy ceramic coating on the wheels here. Inside we're actually going to do fabric coatings, but not leather coatings, and I'll show you why. These have saddle hide leather, so if you look at it, I mean, look how thick the leather is on this. Smells amazing. This is probably the nicest leather that I've seen on the car today, because it's 100% leather. It doesn't even have a clear coat over it like the other leather and vinyls do. So that makes it extremely hard to keep clean. But what we are actually going to use on this is Angel Wax Hydrate, which is a conditioner. So I'm going to send the customer home with a bottle of that. If they are just reapplying that every couple months, they should keep these looking really great. I don't want to put a coating on them and kind of change the coloring or anything like that, because it's a pretty or very nice seat that's in that. So it's wrapped, everything is leather wrapped with that hide, or the cowhide basically. So yeah, these things are just so nice though. 1794 edition, nice big screen. Got to touch up some little detailing aspects, but just finished up the paint coating, so I wanted to pull it out here and make sure we didn't have any high spots. I always wear these glasses or some type of polarized glasses whenever I'm doing this. Polarized glasses will help me see streaks and unevenness in the coating that my bare eyes cannot. So it would be very bad if, let's say you had a sports car, you're at a car show, everything looks great, somebody walks over with their polarized glasses and they can see all these stripes up and down the car. So one thing that I doubt many detailers probably do, but it will help you see abnormalities in the coating, or any high spots, whatever you want to call them. But really sweet truck. Genesis 3-year coating. Next up, we have one of the new Toyota Crowns here. These things are really nice. These are a hybrid. I don't think they have an all-electric version. Yeah, HEV. So really cool with those. So anyway, really wanted to kind of talk about that Cybertruck drive, because guys, that car, I know a lot of you think it's ugly, but it's so ugly it's cool. The interior of it is very minimalistic, which I love, and I was really thankful that the owner there took me on the drive, because those cars are just awesome. But anyway, you guys have a good day, and I'll see you later.